People check out the bus. Bodies now round town. Bodies now round town. What me say? Watch out, say. Wash hand now. Wash me hand. My God, man. Watch the people. Right us in a seat, you know. Want to check out the page, you know, man. Bad boy scientist. Yeah, man. I tag the page tonight, see me. Watch out. Watch out, people. Look on it. No shifter in this bus. Yeah, man. So you don't have a shifter up at steering, and you don't have no shifter right in the control or center, you know. Watch your machine shift you gear them. By using this. So if you want to put in a drive, just use this. Put in a drive, put in a reverse, put in a park.
Alright,
yo,
let me show you that.
Yo, I bought this thing.
Alright, and a key start. Show them say a key start just up. Let me say a key start.
Say key start?
Yeah. But if we don't want the key start, we can turn in a button start.
Oh, you want to turn a button start?
We can turn a button start.
Alright, show what I want. I code that. Yeah. What you say? This is you start to go?
Yes, you start, man.
Oh, yeah. Lock off what I say.
Alright.
Hold on. More shift in a gear, I see what I'm going to say. I keep people and say you can shift it true.
Alright, we can.
Yeah. Yo, body's thing around town right now, people.
They got alright, now you any gear, yeah.
Any gear, right sir?
No, you have to switch and then press.
Oh, switch and press.
But you can do it in a voice command too if you want.
Voice command? What you say to me?
Look, voice command is right. Just put it up yourself.
Yeah.
And like if you want to go like N neutral or reverse,
yeah.
How long is it break? N neutral, so you go a neutral there.
P park.
And then no, and after your voice that.
Oh, and my voice, yeah. You recognize your voice?
Right, you can know. P park.
Yeah. So. Maddest thing people around town. Maddest vax around town right now.
Alright, so you can turn off the back from here so and then you can start it from here so too.
Yeah, start it from here so I saw one.
Put the foot on the brake, huh?
Yo.
Alright. So
look people, nobody inside the machine. Look what I go on. See it there, lock the door. Drive by itself. Maddest now around town. Yeah man. I go and wait for it. Where you say on?
hold on, I mean ask if it. No, I'm getting your glass first.
But boss, I can't get glass them.
Alright, let's start it now.
Yeah, start the machine. Carry back your glass.
Yeah, go on, light them. Come here, let's do light.
Where you say light them on?
I'm semi-operator.
You are operator, watch your people light them on.
Alright, and then you can shift the steering. Look on the wheel, come here so.
Yeah, look on the wheel. Yeah?
But that 310 I just carry now.
Yeah, yo, well I'm sure somebody in that car. Yo, shift the steering again. Jesus. So that means I can drive by.
Yeah man, you drive by yourself. So.
Yeah?
You shift the gear and do everything by itself. So one different time again. Really.
Yo, alright people. When I reveal too much I boss secret. Body's now around town.